Hi Barkat Charania. Since many people now know about you and many would want to know more about you, can you tell more about yourself? Or how would you describe yourself?
Okay, so I'm keeping it very short. So I was a typical corporate guy. I used to work for different companies. I became the CEO, managing director of companies. But on the different side, I have been healing people from last 15-20 years. I've also learned different modalities of healing, almost 15-16 different modalities, including your hypnotherapy, REBT, CBT, pranic healing, angelic healing, theta healing, and so many more. I'm also a life coach. But personally, I don't use any of them. I've been healing people only through the powers what I got. Now, these powers what I have, I don't know where it came from. Who has taught me, who has given me this power? Nobody taught me how to use it. But ever since, I've been helping people and things are happening. People call me a miracle healer. So it's just because they come to me, I do something, and I still don't know what do I do. But I just do some healings for them, and phenomenally, I mean, people across the globe and from different conditions, be it family problem, health issues, relationship issues, job issues, or anything, I've been helping people. Even those people who are on deathbed, maybe doctors have said they cannot be cured, or there are so many diseases which cannot be cured. I try to help those people, including cancers also. And during COVID time, I helped so many people for COVID, including doctors also. So that it is. I mean, I've been just helping people.
Okay. So if you are a miracle healer or how you call it blessed healer, why did you learn so many therapies or modalities?
Okay, so this there are two answers to this question. First is when I was doing healings. Okay, I was meeting different people, knowing different people, understanding things. So I was very intrigued as to what are the different modalities available. Am I doing any of these things, or how are they different than me? So that is what it was. So maybe I learned one thing. I learned hypnotherapy, and I understood, no, this is not what I am doing. I learned something else. I learned theta healing, pranic healing, angelic healing, and different things, just to maybe understand that what am I doing is same with those people or different. And somehow I realized, no, these are different thing altogether, and what I am doing is a different thing. There is one more reason to it. And now see, I was a corporate guy. Okay, so when I go and meet people, people have actually two questions. Ideally, the Indian people have two questions. One is, are you a Pandit or are you a Baba? And I was like, I'm none of these. So just to maybe, I thought, let me put it across into my CV of a healer that I have different profiles. I have learned different things, but fair enough. I don't use any of them.
Oh, but then when did you realize that you have these miraculous powers?
Okay, so this takes me back almost 20-25 years back. So, I was a normal guy again, sitting with friends, chilling out, partying, and I used to predict things. I was just talking to a friend of mine, and I would say, this is going to happen, this has already happened with you, blah, blah, blah. And people used to come back and say, you are exactly bang on. So, just while talking, things used to come to my vision, and I just used to predict things. That's how I started realizing as to what it is. I started reading, I started doing. Then a person came that since you can predict, you may help also. And I used to just, close my eyes and say this thing should happen. And that's how things used to happen. And I started understanding in deeper senses as to what am I doing, how things are happening. And slowly and started the healing continued. Without any journey, I came to a good journey.
Wow. So, to ask you, how would you explain miracle?
Okay, in this thing, I wouldn't explain miracle. People call me a miracle guy, but so miracle is what? Anything which was unusual has happened. Anything that you feel it was not possible has happened. That is what it was. So whenever possibly I've done something, like for example, there are so many cases wherein people were, on a deathbed. Maybe doctors had just given up. I cured those kind of people, so it was miracle. Relationships on the verge of breaking. I mean, there was no option for people to do, and I helped them maybe in terms of studies, relationship issues, health issues, career issues, all of them. And see, it's been almost 20 years I've been doing this. I was never on social media, so I think this is my interview. That's why it's happening. but I have my clients from across the globe, and it has all happened just because the word of mouth. So if I help somebody, they would go and tell to 10 different people, and that's how it is.
Okay. How does your regular day look like?
That's a very important question. I want to address this because in India and across, people have two perceptions. For example, either they believe in people who are like religious people, okay, or they would know babas. I actually want. I'm a normal guy, so I do everything which a normal guy would do. I do my workouts. I do my partying. I meet friends. I'm a very normal guy. Just when I'm sitting in my healings, I'm a different guy altogether. But that doesn't mean I take the level of a Baba or something like that. In fact, this is something. It's my motto. I want people to understand that a guy who is wearing a normal t-shirt, or who is just normally parties, even he can help you out. I don't need to wear a kurta or wear some malas or some other things or put some vibhuti just to show that I am a baba or I can heal you. No, that's not. So I am a very normal guy. I live like normal people. I eat, drink, everything.
Interesting. I think this information would help many out there. Thank you for this,
Thank you so
Professor.
much for giving me this opportunity. I want to reach as many people as possible, just to understand, or maybe just to reach them so they can come to me whenever they need. Thank you.